La Marche, or the Marches, is a smaller, lesser-known region, smack dab in the middle of Italy. And therefore, it takes its cooking influences from both north and south. And this artichoke dish is a perfect example of that. Carciofi, artichoke, ripieni, stuffed. Just open up the leaves a little to reveal the choke in the center. Now that needs to come out. Into a bowl of acidulated water, stop it from browning, and it's done. Really quite simple. Now onto the stuffing. And the base for this is simple breadcrumbs. And Italians love their breadcrumbs. They put it on pasta, and it's perfect for this filling for the artichokes. As is the pecorino cheese. Now for the prosciutto. The unique difference with prosciutto from the Marches is they use juniper berries as part of the curing and seasoning, so it has a very unique and distinct flavor. Flat leaf Italian parsley. Always a little drizzle of olive oil. And a splash of white wine. Best tools in the business. And now the stuffing can begin. Get as much water out of that artichoke as you can. The idea here is not just to fill the center, but to get as much of that stuffing in between each of those leaves as you possibly can. Between the olive oil and that white wine will start to simmer and steam and melt those beautiful artichokes into absolute tender, succulent hearts. Oh yeah, these are looking good. Oh, nice and tender. Into a good hot oven. Just for a few minutes to crispen up. They look spectacular. Beautifully cooked. A little crusty and browned. And you can see the stuffing all the way to the heart. And in the bottom of the pan, there's some tasty juices. A little drizzle of olive oil. And the final touch, a little bit more grated pecorino. And that is my antipasti done. The larger outer leaves, you just want to chew and suck on that last little area here of that leaf. But in the center, you've got the prized and delectable heart. It'll have that moist stuffing, and it's mine for the taking. You know, that delicate artichoke and that savory stuffing seem perfect together.